Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, actually nowadays we are actually discussing about the natural resources, in which we have already discussed about the physical resources, and now we will discuss about the biological resources. For knowing the biological resources, before knowing all these things, we must have to know about the biological cycle, that how this biological cycles continues. So the distribution of the things between the non-living and the living things, and completely, if this cycle continues, then after the life is exist on this planet. So biological cycle is most important topic for knowing the physical resource. Okay guys, so firstly we will discuss today about the biological cycle, and then in the next video we will discuss about that what are the different type of cycles present in our environment or on our earth. And then after we will actually know about what the biological resource. Okay guys, so before starting the topic, right now you will look a red color button where subscribe is written. Please press that button, and after that click on the bell button icon. And guys, this video is going to be very important for the study of biology, that what are the biological cycles and why it is important. So don't miss, and please continue with me till the end of the video. Hope you will know or get something which you are searching. Okay guys, so let's start the topic. The topic for today is the biological cycle. As you know that plants absorb nutrition from the soil through their root hairs. From what? Root hairs. Absorption of the water and nutrition from the soil by the plants takes place quite regularly, thereby ensuring their survival. ओके, जीवन जीने के लिए प्लांट्स को भी सॉइल से ही पानी चाहिए, ठीक है। तो वो क्या करते हैं, उनके रूट हेयर्स जो होते हैं वो मिट्टी से पानी को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं। ओके, किस लिए? अपनी सर्वाइवल के लिए। ओके, रेनफॉल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स दिस सॉइल वाटर। रेनफॉल ही क्या करता है, बारिश का जो पानी होता है सॉइल उसी पानी को एब्जॉर्ब करके स्टोर करके रखता है। किस लिए? ताकि वो प्लांट्स के यूज़ में आ सके और प्लांट्स उससे अपना फूड प्रिपेयर करें, और फिर इनडायरेक्टली और डायरेक्टली वो हम कंज्यूम करते हैं। ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो इन दिस यूनिट यू विल लर्न how it happens, how this cycle continue, how the plants make their food, how could we take that, and how decomposers break down and again it is mixed into the soil, and by soil again the plant absorbs that nutrition. Okay guys, so this is the whole cycle about which we have to discuss. यहाँ से अगर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं उससे पहले अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा हो तो आप इसे लाइक कर दें और लास्ट तक मेरे साथ रहो, ताकि मैं इस टॉपिक के बारे में ब्रीफली आपको एक्सप्लेन कर सकूं। ओके, सो इन फैक्ट देयर इज अ साइक्लिक मूवमेंट ऑफ मिनरल्स और एलिमेंट बिटवीन द लिविंग, इट मीन्स द बायोटिक और ऑर्गेनिज्म, एंड नॉन लिविंग, इट मीन्स द एबायोटिक थिंग्स इन द सराउंडिंग। लिविंग इट मीन्स व्हाट, जो भी लोग जीवित हैं उन्हें हम लोग बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स बोलते हैं, और जो भी नॉन लिविंग है जैसे हवा, पानी और फिर टेम्परेचर, सॉइल, ये सब क्या हुए, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हुए। इट मीन्स इट इज़ द एबायोटिक सराउंडिंग। ओके, सो न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर originally derived from the abiotic surrounding, to which they finally return by way of decomposers or the dead organism or waste matter again into the abiotic environment. So बायोटिक चीज़ों से एबायोटिक इन्वायरमेंट में चीज़ें जाती हैं और फिर से एबायोटिक इन्वायरमेंट उसे डिकम्पोज करके बायोटिक चीज़ों के हेल्प से उसे फिर एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स में ही डाल देता है। सो ये है एक कंप्लीट साइकिल, thus a constant recycling of the nutrients and minerals occurs. Okay, so since both living and non-living components are involved, the cycle are called the biochemical cycles. Okay, or the mineral cycle. Always you will watch the nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, oxygen cycle, phosphorus cycles, and likewise so many different chemicals just are being recycled in our atmosphere all the time. Okay, So these are called what? These are the biochemical cycle or the mineral cycle. That's cyclic flow of nutrients between the non-living environment, that is soil, air, water, and the living organism is known as what? Biochemical cycles. So role of decomposers is very vital in the function or in the completion, we can say, of this biochemical cycles. Okay guys, so in the next video we will discuss about the carbon cycle, oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle, phosphorus cycles, all these things, biochemical cycles, which are important or the crucial topics for knowing about the biological resources. So guys, this is all about the today's topic. Hope you all have liked this session. If you liked, then please press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for giving your attention and love to me.